DJ, cut the music down, cut the music down, cut the music down. We're gonna go through the rules.
I wake up to a
One more
little bit of
time.
drool on my pillow, feel like it's
Before
gonna be a
that,
bad day.
let's see, let me count that
I'm
in now.
tired of
Music
shit,
up.
and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great.
DJ.
I don't wanna go to work 'cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life 'cause I don't
If you
feel
are
like
not ready for the day, it
hold on
cannot
here for a minute.
always
I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams. We all want things. What you gonna do for it? How you gonna do for it? Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name on. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find one who do that. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, gon' do things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose is right. We'll find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. We all got dreams. What you gonna do for it? How you gonna do for it? Like an adjective, I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, speak slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at that, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Hey, come on, እና ቹማሪ ፍትል ነበራት አሁን ይመስለኛል ጊዜው የኔ ነው ተተቀበሉት ይህንን ሪያሊቲ calling out my name dreams go far from but both are free change surrender offers ready ሌሎች ማየት የሚፈልጉ ሰዎች አሉ። እባካችሁ 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 Okay, now we're going to start the fight.
All right. Are you ready to rumble? I'll get the tower there. What did you do? What did you do? And then what? I am in Nutanach. Ande si book and the Shutawa, and there's no look. Get that. Come on, follow my show with the si book and the Shutawa. Medicate Liga. Yet understand Johnny. Are you ready? Round one. Ahun head coach Master Puro head coach Tennis. ይነግረናል የኤምኤምኤ head coach አሁን እሱ ይነግረናል ከዛው ቀጥታ ወደ ፊልም ያገባለን ጆኒ ንቃተ ህሊና let's go You go down, you don't protect yourself. I will take you out. You've been hit, okay? And you don't move for more than 10, you become 15%. You are not ready to stop the fight. You are not, you've been taken down from the ground. You don't come out. You want to go to sleep? I'm going to stop that fight. Okay? Continue. And I want you to protect yourself for the whole time. ሁላችሁም ሰምታችኋል። Ladies and gentlemen, ስርዓት እንያዝ እስቲ አንዴ ሁላችን ቁጭ እንበል አንዴ። እነዚህ ልጆች ለፍቶ ነው እዚህ የመጡት፣ አንዴ ሁላችን ቁጭ እንበል ፕሊዝ። በጣም ለፍቶ ነው እዚህ የመጡት። ጋይስ ሪስፔክት እንስጥ አንዴ። እናመሰግናለን። በጣም የሚገርም ፍልሚያ። ጋይስ ሪላክስ አንዴ እስቲ ጋይስ ሪስፔክት አንዴ። ሄሎ ቆይ ማነው አሸናፊው? ከዳኛው እንስማ ከረፈሪ ጋይስ አንዴ እንደማመጥ አንዴ እንደማመጥ። Ladies and gentlemen, due to under a permanent show, we declare the winner. አሸናፊው ጆኒ ጂጂቱ ናብሬዞ። አንዴ እስቲ ሁላችሁም እስቲ ለንቃተ ህሊና አንዴ ሞቅ ያለ ጭብጨባ በቀጣ የታለ ላይ ሞቅ ያለ ጭብጨባ ለንቃተ ህሊና ለጆኒ። አንዴ ይሄ ስፖርት እንዲቀጥል እንደማመጥ። አሁን እኛ ፕሮፌሽናል ስፖርት ውስጥ ነን ያለነው። ስሜት ውስጥ መግባት ዋጋ የለውም። ኦኬ ፊልሚያ ውስጥ ያሉት ጆኒና ንቃተ ህሊና ናቸው፣ እኛ አይደለንም። እነሱ ሁለቱ ነው የተፋለሙት። ኦኬ ይሄ ደግሞ ለስፖርት ክብር ግዴታ ያስፈልገዋል። እስቲ ለእነሱ ለሁለቱ ስንትና ስንት ለፍተው ለመጡት የታለ? አይገባቸውም። ፍጻሜ የኢትዮጵያ ቪክቶሪ ያለንበት በቀጣይ ፍልሚያ እንቀጥላለን። ጋይስ ፕሊዝ ጌች ናሩዝ ጌች ያሳጥረን ሰው ደግሞታል። ጋይስ ይሄ ስፖርት ነው። ኖርማል ነገር ይኸውላችሁ ልስን ጋይስ እሺ አንዴ ልጆቹ ቢሉት እንስማቸው። ቢኮዝ
እሺ መጀመሪያ ንቃተ ህሊናን ኢንተርቪው ያደርጋሉ። እንዳንተ መጀመሪያ አሸናፊውን
the winner Johnny Jiu-Jitsu አንዴ ወጣት ተባ the new champion
ጆኒ በመጀመሪያ ይሄ ፋይቲንግ ስታይል ለማድረግ ባንድ ላይ ካራክተር መውሰድ እንደነበረብህ ሁላችንም እናውቃለን። እሱ ፋይቱን ኢንትረስቲንግ ለማድረግ የሆነ ነገር ነው ብለን እንገምታለን። እስቲ ስለዚህ ጉዳይ ምን ይሰማል? ጋይስ ፈርስት ኦፍ ንቃተ ህሊና እዚህ ስቴጅ ላይ በጣም ብዙ ሰው በፈራበት እሺ ብሎ በመምጣቱ ሁላችሁም አንዴ ሞቅ አድርጉልን። እዚህ መድረክ ውስጥ መግባት ቀላል አይደለም። But most importantly ከዚህ በፊት በጣም ብዙ ማስተሮች ተብለው ሀገር ውስጥ ያሉ ማርሻል አርቲስቶች ተበሳጭተዋል። And I want you guys to understand. I challenge anyone. Next fight. I don't care. Come in martial arts. I will take you on Ascend Fame. My call out now this one. I have a list of people that I'm going to check off. A bunch of fake martial artists. Tara tara. እናሰጣችኋለን ከዚህ ቅመም ጀምረን ሰው በጣም ብዙ ጊዜ ሰው ለሰው እንደዛትከው ፈርስት ራውንድ ሰሚት አደርገዋለሁ ብለህ ነበረ። እንዳልከው ፈርስት ራውንድ ሰሚት አደርገዋለሁ። ከሱ ውጭ ግን ዲስታንሱን ለማጥበብ ስትሞክር አሪፍ አሪፍ ፓንቾች ሰንዝረዋል። እንዴት ነው እሱ ድርገት ይሁ I can take a punch. Practice hitting, one of the things is to take a hit and move forward. One of the most important criteria for fighter moving from the corner. And as a grappler, you have to accept. And you did just that. Stage fighter. You said you challenge anyone. Specifically call out I said it. I have a list. ወይዘሮ አገረ ሰላም ሊስት ላይ ያለች ሰዶ ማርሻል አርት ብላችሁ የምታስቡ ሰዎች በሙላ አሰልፌ ፋይት አደርጋችኋለሁ። This is my fucking life. I don't have any social life. ከጠዋት እስከ ማታ all I do is train. And to beat me, you better deserve it. I don't give a shit who you are. I will make you all sleep.
እሺ የኔ ጀግና ንቃተ ህሊና አለ ብዙዎች በፈራ